Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 35 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic and that is befriend yourself. So let's start. We as a human has a tendency to make friends. We spend so much time in making friends. We always have a desire that someone like us, someone support us and someone understand us. But my question is to you that are you friend to yourself? Do you give yourself same love as you give others? And I know that many of you will say no. Many of your answer will be no. Many of us what we do that we love others more. We respect others more than we should love ourselves. And if any mistake we commit, we blame ourselves first. For example, if I will fail in exam, I will blame that I can't do. I am not able to do. And if your friend will do mistake, what you do, you support them, then why you are not supporting yourself? You should also support yourself. As you are supporting your friend, you should support yourself. You should be kind to yourself. You should express your thought, you express your feeling to yourself. You should be always happy towards yourself. So for that, I will share a story, short story. It will be a short story. There was a boy and he always used to compare himself with others. He always blamed himself regardless of others. He always think that he is not good as others. He always believed that all are better than himself. So for that, his grandfather given him a plant and told him that you should take care of that plant. And that boy used to water that plant every day, provide that plant adequate sunlight, and one day that plant grew into beautiful tree. And then his grandfather advised him that as you take care of this plant, you should take care of yourself. See how patiently this plant has grown into beautiful tree. And if you will take care of yourself same as plant, you will definitely change your life. So one should understand that in life, everyone should take care of themselves first. Because if you will work on yourself, you will be change yourself definitely. You will become successful. And from that, the boy understood that as a plant does not grow into one day into a tree, similarly, success does not come in one day in one night. It takes time. From that day, boy understand and he work on himself, and suddenly after some time he became successful. So moral of this story is what? Moral of this story is you should spend time with yourself. You should celebrate even your small success. You should be kind to yourself. And I will conclude from a important quote that the most important relationship in the world is the relationship with yourself. The most important relationship in the world is the relationship with yourself. If you are practicing good relationship with yourself, people will respect you. It is said now that if you will love yourself, other will love you. If you will give yourself respect, other will give respect. So that was all the thoughts that came to my mind suddenly, that today I should make video on that is befriend yourself. Because in previous days, during my first phase of life, in my childhood, what I was doing, I also used to compare myself with others. I used to always compare myself. Like I always used to think that all girls are so bold, I am so shy. I always used to think that I can't do anything, I am so shy, I am not bold, what should I do? I always used to compare and I waste my life by comparing. We should never compare ourselves with others. We should always try to make ourselves perfect every single day. And now I have started making myself perfect by making these videos. these videos, I know these videos are very essential for me because it is giving me confidence that I can. So that's all for today's video. And if you are liking my video, please like, share and subscribe and comment. So thank you, take care and bye-bye.